Hey there, music lovers. Welcome back to our channel, where we make tech simple and fun. Today, we're tackling something super useful: how to find and connect with friends on Spotify. Whether you're looking to share your favorite playlists or discover new tunes together, Spotify's social features make it easy. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Spotify account on the app or website. Once you're in, head over to your profile by tapping the icon in the top right corner. This is your hub for all things personal on Spotify. Now, to find friends, Spotify integrates with your contacts and social media. Start by going to the search bar at the bottom of the app. You can type in a friend's username if you know it, or use the Find Friends option under your profile settings. If you link your Facebook account, Spotify can suggest friends who are also on the platform. Just go to Settings, then scroll to Social, and connect your accounts. Once you've found someone, hit the Follow button on their profile to see what they're listening to. You can also share your own playlists directly with them by selecting a playlist, tapping the three dots, and choosing Share. This sends an invite link via text, email, or social media, perfect for group listening sessions. A quick tip: always check your privacy settings to control who can see your activity. It's all about keeping things fun and safe. And if you're on the free version, remember some features might be limited, so upgrading to premium could enhance your experience. There you have it. Finding friends on Spotify is straightforward and a great way to build your music community. Give it a try, and let us know in the comments how it goes. If you enjoyed this, smash that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and keep the music playing.